Hey Joseph, can Jesus come out and play? What's that? Ask his mom. Hi Mrs. Christ, can I hang out with Jesus? Can Jesus come out and play? What, he's in his room? Thank you. Jesus, guy just loves having pictures of themselves all over the place. Oh my Yahweh. Jesus, get off the cross, we need the wood. But really, bro, I'm making a new system for the World Community Grid to help fight cancer. Can you like bless this stuff for me? Legit though, if you could just give these ones some extra, good energy, it would legitimately be good for the universe. And I got two chips here, 1/6, 1/7 generation. I'm not sure which one's going to work the best, but we're going to find out. All right, I think we're all done here. Thanks, J-Rock. Let's get this system set up.